You want to ride on him? If Mommy helps you climb up, will that be better? I hope you climb up.
Oh dear, that looks precarious.
Yeah, I'm holding him.
Is that fun? Woo! Drool.
He's mine now, I've marked him.
That's it. Permanent. Oh, and off we go. Oh, maybe not. And up. Oh, did you get that? And off. Is your leg stuck up there? Are you a ballerina? Whoa!
That's it.
What you doing, buddy? Walkie walkie. Merry Christmas.